Okay, the topic here is derivatives of natural logarithmic functions. So first, what's the definition? Derivative of ln x is equal 1 over x. Ln x prime is just the different notation, is just 1 over x. So let's do example 1. Half of x is equal to 27 ln x plus x cubed minus 2, and we need to find f prime of x. So f prime of x is equal, so 27 is a constant, so we keep it, times derivative of ln x, by definition it's just 1 over x, let's do parentheses, plus, we know derivative of x cubed, use power rule, that's 3x squared, and derivative of negative 2 is 0, we don't write anything. So f prime of x is equal to 27 over x plus 3x squared. Alright, so let's do example 2. We still have a logarithmic function, but this time we're trying to find the derivative of y equal x to the fifth times ln x. Now we have to consider that these are product of two functions, x to the fifth and ln x. So think of this as your f of x and this is your g of x. So to find y prime, using this definition, the product rule, so it's going to be f prime of x times g of x, so derivative of x to the fifth times g of x, which is ln of x, plus derivative of g of x, which is ln of x prime, times f of x, which is x to the fifth. One more step and we should be done. Derivative of x to the fifth, use power rule, that's 5x to the 4 times ln x, plus, and derivative of ln x, use this definition right here, it's 1 over x times x to the fifth, and all we need to do now is simplify it. So this is 5x4 ln x, plus simplify 1x from both sides, so you get plus x4. And we're done with this example. Now for example 3, we have a quotient rule involving ln x. So again, here's the definition right here. So we think of this to be f of x. The numerator is f of x. The denominator is just g of x, right? So to find h prime of x, it's going to be f prime of x, which means 3x to the 4th derivative, times g of x, which is ln of x, minus g prime of x, which is the derivative of ln x, times f of x, which is 3x4. Everything divided by g of x squared. Now h prime of x is equal to, derivative of 3x4 is 3 times 4 is 12x cubed, using power rule, times ln x, minus derivative of ln x is 1 over x times 3x to the 4th divided by ln x squared. One more step to simplify this x with this x, so this will be equal to 12 x cubed ln x minus 3x cubed, everything divided by ln of x squared. And that's it for these examples.